Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my patio refresh video. I think I've done this 2 other times, for sure 1 time. So if you missed last year's patio refresh, I'll link that video down below. But I just plan on sprucing it up, cleaning it up, making it a little bit like clean. It just feels dirty back here. I need to clean the windows. I need to clean the screens, the cushions and pillows, even the ground. The ground needs clean. So basically that's what I'm gonna be doing today and just make it feel like we wanna be out here. So let's get this place cleaned. This patio is long overdue for a little spruce, clean refresh. It looks all right, but it's actually really kind of like, you can see like there's stains around the pots. It just needs a good clean. The pillows need cleaned, the screen and the windows need cleaned. We also have our pool floaties over here. You can see like where we've watered the plant. It just needs all like cleaned up and refreshed. Actually, from the last video that I shared with you, I had a little cabinet out here that I ended up taking back inside because I didn't want it to get ruined by the sun. But I have since found this marble table at the antique store for $60. These bamboo folding chairs, I love these so much. I actually want to get a whole set, like a dining set in the future. But for now, this is what we'll have. And I can fold these up, put them away if I want more space back here, but then also we can eat or sit out here, watch the sunrise. And then over here, I had this lemon tree in the last video, but I got a Meyer lemon tree, which is doing so well. It's so beautiful. The mandarin that was in this pot he didn't make it. I want to get something to pot in here, but other than that, there's not a whole ton I'm gonna do out here, but it definitely needs a clean, which I think is gonna be the biggest transformation as far as being here in person. But I figured I would still document the process. I'm gonna actually fold the chairs and put them away for the time being so I can get it all nice and clean out here, and then we'll decide if we want to bring them out or just bring them out when we come out and sit out here. But I'm gonna put these away, which is my favorite thing about these chairs, is that they're foldable. There's a lizard in there. Oh gosh. Go this way, little guy. This tool Zach got, I was a total hater. I'm just admitting that right now. It's amazing. It's basically, what do you call that?
Inflator.
Well, I meant like the...
and a mini blower.
A mini blower.
But it has a tool to inflate our floaties. But this is cheap. Obviously, this is for small stuff. You're not gonna go blow your yard or leaves.
Yeah, true.
But it comes with an attachment to any.
Yeah, you can use any battery.
Drill battery.
Drill battery.
Just for like small little things, I think it works perfectly.
I love it. It's great. We use it as a little blower all the time. Okay, I'm about to start painting the chairs. They're kind of like an espresso brown, which I think is beautiful, but they are starting to show some, you know, wear from the weather. They're looking a little weathered, so I want to give them a little bit of a refresh. I've had these chairs, I think this is the 3rd season. These have held up so well. Yes, I've kind of updated them with stain and now I'm painting them, but still, they're in great shape. The cushions clean up super nicely. I cleaned them yesterday and had them dry overnight, so they're all ready to go. But the color, oh, and we got the palm. So I'll put this here. I wanted some flowers. They're just not gonna last. So we thought we'd take a chance on the palm and kind of get more of that like Charleston kind of vibe back here a little bit. Times out of 10, I'm gonna go with the darkest brown, almost looks black, but this time I went with pretty much a pretty true black. So it's called Tricorn Black by Sherwin-Williams. They mixed it in the exterior satin. I just wanted it to feel a little bit more like French, and I think it's gonna go really well with the like the mid-tones that I have in here with the wood and the rug, just kind of breaking up so much of that brown. So I am super excited. I think it's gonna look great. I would also love to get another one of these outdoor lights. I am so sorry, someone's car alarm is going off. These lights are amazing. Got those off Amazon. You can also put them in your shower. They're water resistant. I love these. They're amazing. Okay, here's a little look at the before and after. This one, I did not go like in the last time I did this, I went all in here and everything, and I just thought this time I might skip that just to save some time, because you're not gonna see it without the cushions on there, and honestly, it really doesn't look that bad. Kind of almost looks like, you know, those two-tone piece of furniture. I love it. I love it so much. You can see here, very dry, looks like it needs a drink of water. It just doesn't look too great. And then you look over here and it's just like nice and fresh, almost looks like a brand new piece of furniture. This is 2 coats. I'm gonna kind of just like let it dry and see if I need to touch up anywhere. Here is my like tropical British colonial back patio refresh. I love it right now. I feel like it feels like a little oasis back here. So what's new this year is this table little setting right here. I found this table at an antique store for $60. I originally wasn't gonna get it because I wanted like a white marble and a different like base with different feet, but I could not pass up a $60 marble table, and this thing is so heavy. And then these are the folding chairs, the bamboo folding chairs that I've shared so many times from Amazon. We love these. They are so beautiful, and they just really help capture that entire vibe that I was going for. I also like that they're a completely different vibe than these chairs over here, which these are also Amazon. When I originally got these, they were teak wood. They had a little bit more of a yellow undertone. Then I stained them to look more espresso, like super dark brown. And then I painted them this time, the Tricorn Black by Sherwin-Williams. That table is also Amazon. And then that little light back here is Amazon. I love that thing. The light, the glow is so good. And then we just have some watering cans. The jute rug is also Amazon. This is all the same furniture for the most part as last year. So if you watched my last year video, you'll recognize so much of this. Now this little part right here, I didn't know what to do with my pot, so I just have them kind of all piled up together right here, which I kind of like it. It feels a little bit more lived in. And that's really everything except for the new palm. I love the new palm. The palm next to the bamboo chairs. Oh, it just feels so, reminds me a lot of Charleston. When we were in Charleston and we saw the palms mixed with like the old world decor, it really opened my eyes to the possibilities that we could do in Arizona, because a lot of the like plants and things were things that would do well here as well. That pot I made, I followed Jenna Sue's tutorial on that, and then I can't remember where I got that pot. I got it at a vintage store, I believe. And then as far as over here, there's really not much other than our little mandarin orange tree and this planter we got from Home Goods. All right, we're making an Aperol spritz outside. Zach has joined us. I gotta move these because it's kind of hard. to do these. Okay, Dave, you're gonna have to read me the, oh yeah, he has to open this because I'm scared. So we have, it calls for dry Prosecco, Aperol, liqueur,
Yeah.
and soda water. That's it, right? And orange,
And orange. When we, oh, go ahead.
Oh yeah, I think you're gonna say what I was gonna say.
We first went to, or did we talk, I'm not in this. We first talked about this, have we talked about Aperol Spritz before? I feel like we just did in a video.
I don't think so.
But basically, when we went to Europe, which I think it's kind of, is it a touristy thing now? Like,
Probably.
but I hated it. I was like, it's the grossest thing.
I didn't like it either.
I was all excited to try it. It was not good. But now that I know it's like champagne, I don't know why I thought it was like a cocktail.
Yeah.
But now that it was like champagne, I kind of like it.
I know, I do too. I didn't like it at first, and now I kind of like it. I do not like opening up a champagne bottle either. Okay, woo! Okay, so the recipe we're using is ice, 3 parts Prosecco, 2 parts Aperol, 1 part soda water, and then a slice of an orange. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna make one here on the channel and then one over on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, head over there.
That's where all the good stuff is.
Okay, so 3 parts Prosecco. I'm just gonna use this side.
Are you gonna do ice first?
I wasn't going to, should I?
No, it's fine.
1, 2. I'm gonna do like 3.5 because it's kind of fizzing.
I would have just eyeballed this.
Yeah. And it's funny because I've been liking these now. They're really refreshing, actually. Is Aperol just like orange?
I don't even know.
What it is?
I'm sure we could look into it. I know it's a liqueur. These little Topo Chico.
So
These
cute.
are perfect. I don't know if you could see that.
A lot of the times we buy the like off-brand
But sometimes it's nice to like,
splurge.
yeah, it's not like it was crazy expensive, but
Yeah.
to get the little bit nicer.
And I do think it has a taste difference. And
Yeah, a
maybe
little
that's
bit.
just in my head. I'm gonna probably add more soda water. And then, nice.
It is a really big glass too.
True, that's very true. I feel like when I got one recently, it looked a lot more,
Fizzy or what?
no, like clear. Like this one's pretty orange. The one I got looked like it was watered down.
Maybe it was.
Could have been.
Maybe some of them make them in batches or something.
And put a little orange slice in there.
You smell that orange.
Ooh, that one's like, you get a lot of the Aperol. Actually, that's kind of good. A little too
I'd
syrupy.
do a little too more soda water.
Soda water or Prosecco?
Maybe both, but at least soda water.
Now this is where we just start to splash
Oh,
our taste.
there we go.
So then now we did that.
Yeah, it was a
Pretty
little
much
sweet.
equal parts is kind of where we're at now. 4 parts Prosecco, 3 parts, 2 parts.
Oh, better.
Way better.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Way better.
Mmm. That's good.